My name is Owen Caldwell. I am the Technology Manager for Cal Poly Pomona Foundation Housing Services. We currently use FileMaker to take care of all of paper documentation, check-in and check-out of residents, as well as digitizing our environment to the best of our capabilities. We've been trying to create an environment where we can support the different majors of the students that come work for us. I'm able to provide projects for our computer science, our computer information systems majors fairly easily, but when we would get an engineering major or an electrical engineering major in, it was more difficult to come up with projects that were in line with what they did or what they are studying. With Phidgets, we've been able to create projects that are not only pertinent to their field, but are also beneficial to the workplace. Currently, we are looking at wiring up the offices to do temperature mapping. So we currently use the 24U Phidgets Plug-In to facilitate communication between the devices and FileMaker itself. I actually learned about Phidgets coming to FileMaker Developer Conference last year. 24U had a booth set up where they were demonstrating the different Phidgets, and after a short demonstration, I knew it was something that would be beneficial to us. Our current project with Phidgets that I'm really excited about is we are working on building a three-dimensional temperature map of our office. We're accomplishing this by using multiple Phidgets temperature sensors strung across strings in the office where we can capture the temperature changes at different height levels in the room and at different points. With this, I'm hoping to be able to determine what effect the occupancy of the office has on the overall environment, to be able to determine if there's energy inefficiencies in place. We're extremely happy with the product. It's very, very easy to use, and that's actually one of my favorite features about it. A lot of the engineering students that come in to work for us don't necessarily have a lot of background in programming, working with databases, but they do know how to work with electronics and create really interesting things. So because of the ease of use of both FileMaker and Phidgets, it bridges the gap between what their current skill set is and what it needs to be able to produce a product. With Phidgets, we've been able to introduce people that would normally not be introduced to programming at a very early stage. I would definitely recommend Phidgets to other developers, and as well as people that are just interested in getting their feet wet with electronics.